Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making roasted jalapeno popper grilled cheese sandwiches. What all do we need for the roasted jalapeno popper grilled cheese? 4 slices of sourdough bread or ciabatta, 2 tablespoons butter softened. I'm going to be using mayonnaise, 4 slices of cheddar cheese, or if you want it a little bit spicier, pepper jack, which I'll be using, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and I'll be using the whipped stuff, 1 to 2 roasted jalapenos, store-bought or homemade, sliced. They didn't have any roasted jalapenos at the store, so I will be roasting mine. 1/4 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. This is optional. And then optional additions, you can have bacon strips. I got just the microwave bacon stuff. Caramelized onions for sweetness, I'm not going to be using that. Or garlic butter, and I'm not going to be using that. So let's begin. So if you're going to be roasting your own jalapenos, preheat your oven to 400. Take your jalapenos, cutting off the ends here. Cut your jalapenos in half. And remove the seeds and the ribs. If you want a little bit of heat, you can leave a few of the seeds in. Dave doesn't like a heat in his jalapenos, so I'll try to get all of the seeds and membranes out. Same way with this one, cut this one in half. How is that for it all coming out all at once? So there we have it. Looks pretty good. I'm assuming we put it this way, I don't know. Then put your jalapenos on a baking sheet. Does not say to grease the baking sheet, so I'm not going to. And then it says to drizzle olive oil on them. I don't have a drizzler, but I do got a squirter. And I'm going to use my olive oil squirter, and then I'm going to do that. And then put it in a preheated 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes until softened and slightly charred. So after 14 minutes, I thought I would check. It got a nice char on this side. Halfway through, I flipped it over, and then they are nice and soft, and they are charred. Let that cool completely before you slice it. All right, so take 4 pieces of the sourdough bread and put softened butter or mayonnaise on one side of each bread. I do like the mayonnaise because it is easier to spread and you really don't notice the difference. Then just do 2 pieces of bread, flip them over, and then layer a slice of cheddar or pepper jack cheese. I'm going to do 1.5. That way they're not overlapping and they'll melt better. Like so. And then take your cream cheese and spread it over the pepper jack cheese. Kind of like so. I would imagine if I used the brick cream cheese, it would be a lot harder to spread. So then on top of the cream cheese, take your roasted jalapenos. And I wanted to mention that I did slice these and I peeled off the charring like you do with poblano peppers. That's what I did. First one, half of one I was cutting, I forgot to do that, so there will be some charring on them, but not many. If you're using bacon or caramelized onions, you would put them on top of the jalapenos. Everybody's gonna like it because my bacon's falling apart. Then take another slice of the cheddar cheese, or in my case, pepper jack cheese. And again, I'll do 1.5 so it'll cover up the bread. And if you're using mozzarella, sprinkle some mozzarella on top of that pepper jack cheese for extra melting. And then put the top slice of bread on each sandwich, mayonnaise side up. It's ready to go onto the griddle. I've just turned on the griddle between 325 to 350. If you're doing the skillet, do medium low. I have the griddle lightly greased, so as soon as the griddle gets up to temperature, I'll be back. All right, so the griddle is hot. We'll put on our sandwich. And cook it 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And here is a good color of golden brown. So here is the roasted jalapeno popper grilled cheese. And rounding out the meal is brown jasmine rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming I'm not checking the rice out. Oh, that's interesting looking.
Is that a good
Yeah. So, got a little kick to the jalapenos, not a lot. And I see some bacon in there. I got the bacon. Is that cream cheese or what is?
There is cream cheese and pepper jack cheese.
Okay.
That is a roasted jalapeno popper grilled cheese.
That's pretty good.
Oh yeah, there's mozzarella cheese too.
The way that's toasted is really nice. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.